to another video. Welcome back to Turbo Trouble. Today we are putting on the 6th Element full titanium valved exhaust system onto my Elantra N, which is going to unlock more of that potential, more of the sounds. No longer will we have burbles, we will have nothing but bangs. I know, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. I was on my winter break and we're back into spring semester, our last semester in college. Now it's time to get the YouTube channel back online. What better way to bring it back online than some loud pops and bangs? We can see that we have, ooh, a sticker. Removing this, we have our full titanium exhaust right down here looking so good. This is a huge exhaust tip. Just, All right, so I've had multiple of you guys ask me what does the titanium exhaust sound like. I know that MBRP is the popular option, and I know that Borla is the other popular option, but I feel like this is kind of underrated. If you want an aggressive tone, you have to go titanium. You have to go 6th Element. So we got our 19mm socket, and we're going to be taking off the axle back of the exhaust system. Then after that, if you put some lubricant right on this is the rubber hanger for the exhaust. You can then slip this off and then the exhaust will drop. Keep in mind, don't forget about your gaskets. And then we can do the next step. So we got some of that silicone lubricant on the exhaust hanger. Now I'm taking a flathead screwdriver and I'm trying to get it around to get this exhaust hanger out. It's a little tough. All right, so now what I'm doing is separating this, I guess, the valved exhaust system. That way we can drop the rest of the exhaust right here. All right, and we've got this off. This is the mechanism for the valved exhaust system. This then drops down, and then all we have to do is just go ahead and woo, take that out. All right, so looking at the exhaust system right here, this is the part that is going to connect to the mid pipe right here, followed by the valved exhaust side and then the muffler side. So Alright, so now that you have this, you're going to have to use what 6th Element provides us. This is an extension. That way, this can actually fit into the new exhaust spot. See, if you see right here, it's not making it. So all I did was I used a small flathead screwdriver, and there's a piece on here. On this part, you just push it under and then boom, comes right out. And now the final part, which is the tips. Well, I put this exhaust on about a month and a half ago, and we broke something. So now, when my valve is closed, it makes this noise. It's very undesirable. Yeah, so it's not fun. Pretty common piece. We'll fix it. We'll fix it in a future video. We'll fix it in a future video, and I'll show you guys how. Because this is actually a common break point on this car. The valve springs just aren't good, especially when it gets cold out. A lot of the valve springs tend to break, snap, etc. I'm glad this happened because now I get the opportunity to make a future video to show you guys where you can get the replacement and how to replace it. Anyway, let's do some more sound testing because that was fun. just a mid-pipe, a titanium mid-pipe, the titanium valved exhaust. Gets you that. Let's go on a rip. Oh my goodness. Let's do a little rip. This is a serious exhaust system for a serious car. If you're a Hyundai N owner and you know that with the stock exhaust, when it's hot outside or if the motor gets hot, the oil temps get up, you can sometimes get those bangs. Usually when you first start up the car or when it's really hot. Imagine that, multiply it by 3, and then that's what you always have. So that right there makes a sick exhaust. I'm so glad to have it. And I'm so happy to finally be able to finish this video and share it with you guys. I will catch you guys in the next video where we install something that goes on the wheel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.